Hello everyone, I'm Mansi and welcoming you all again at Bēllä CAST, a unique and featured product creating outstanding look by Bēllä CAST Facial Drops. This facial drops is really changing my identity and it's giving me charming look the whole day. It's totally vegan-free formula and it contains no sulfate or parabens. A single drop of facial drop can transform your routine look by ritual of radiant beauty. Each drop is a symphony of science and nature. It's carefully crafted to elevate your experience. It thoroughly provides satin-smooth texture and helps to reduce irritation and inflammation. It helps in synthesis of collagen and helps to reduce the signs of aging. Just take a few drops of it and do the gentle massage of it and then wash it with water thoroughly and pat and dry it. And now show off your natural and naked beauty. So that's it for today. Bye bye and wish you all a deep love